guys, today we're outside because we found, my brother found an injured baby bird. Callie was trying to kill it. Like usual, Callie likes killing animals for some reason. It's so beautiful. We have to call the people, and well, that's all we know about it. We don't know where it came from or anything like that. It won't walk or fly. See, watch. Well, it can walk, but it doesn't know how to fly. And both of the cats are trying to get in here. We're in my garden. See? Garden. Well, we don't know what happened. Well, bye guys.